If you are on vacation in Bali and searching places to visit in Ubud but still confused which ones to choose, to avoid repetition of experiences and to sequence your destinations to make it hassle free, then you are watching the right video. Because in this video, we are going to show that how to spend 3 days in Ubud to get every flavor of cinematic landscapes, beautiful temple architecture, authentic Balinese culture, and breathtaking waterfalls.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Let's assume you have reached Ubud in midday, as most of the visitors do. Offload your luggage, have lunch or tea, and relax in your room. In the evening, roam around to have feel of the area. You can book a car with driver or rent a scooter for next day. Sleep early, as you have to get up early in the morning to start your day trip.
Let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
As it gets so hot in the midday, you will definitely like to go to sunny destinations at the colder part of the day. So our first destination of the Ubud day tour is Tegalalang Rice Terrace.
Jumping from cliffs so high.
There are some adventure activities as well, like zip line. But if you want to register your tour on Instagram with iconic pictures of Bali swing and nests, then it will definitely cost you little extra dollars.
I really wanna know.
But here is a tip to save some. Just a 3-minute drive away, there is another rice terrace with the name Happy Swing, which offer more photo booth swings at much cheaper price.
Even if
Try to reach this place early morning, as it will not just get hot but crowded and waiting queues longer in the midday.
I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
If you get enticed with the culture, architecture, and spirituality, then visiting temples in Bali should be on your list of must-visit places. But there are so many temples in Ubud, so which one to visit? Definitely, you are not going to miss 1000 years old and the holiest Tirtha Empul temple, which is also known as Holy Spring Temple. This temple is somewhat similar to Tirtha Ganga temple, but that one is almost 2 hours drive away from the center of Ubud. If you are short on time, you can visit only Tirtha Empul temple, which is just 15 minutes away from our first destination of the day, that is Rice Terraces. There is a market at exit route of the temple. You can find here Balinese dresses, crafts, and art pieces. Now it is time to have lunch. If you are also one of them who still does not believe that coffee is made from animal poo, this destination is your next stop.
coffee flower has a two gender, like a male and female flower.
Okay.
And when they become bean also, coffee bean, they become male and female bean.
Okay.
Double bean or single bean. Single bean that from the male flower, and then the double that is from the
Female
flower. They call berry because the color will turn red when they ripe, when they mature. And when you open, they have water a lot. You look, this is so sweet, like berry. That's why animal love coffee, and that is the coffee bean. They have a double like this. That means it's female. Yeah. And to make coffee, they must to peel it. This just take the real bean inside. They're still green inside. Green bean. Ginger. Rosella is a hibiscus. Yeah.
Hibiscus?
Yeah, Rosella is good for hypertension. The ginseng used for energy drink,
Yes.
but in Korea they use for skincare as well.
Skincare and hair care too.
Okay,
Okay.
luwak. The luwak. Coffee cherry. They love sweet, but when they eat coffee, they swallow the bean. They don't chew because they don't like bitter. They just suck the water because it's sweet, and then they ferment it with enzyme, vegetarian enzyme in the
their gut.
stomach, and then comes out still whole bean, and then collect to make a coffee.
So you collected from here?
No, just from wild, because here we never feeding coffee. They like on Arabica has 3-5% of caffeine, but after digest they become 1% caffeine. Sometimes the poop will stick like this because the jelly in the round of the bean, they will stick. This bean will roast it, so the color will turn dark color.
Okay. They're all labeled.
Whatever. I have like instant coffee, coconut, vanilla, chocolate, ginseng.
Silly me, thinking you and her could work things out. I'm a third wheel.
Our last destination of the day one is one of the most famous waterfall in UBUD. The location of this waterfall is about 10 kilometers from UBUD center, and it takes about 20 minutes drive from the center of UBUD. The best place to experience the waterfall is at the Oma Beach Club, located near the waterfall. The club is also a bit elevated, giving you a sight of not just the waterfall, but a panoramic view of the surrounding jungle as well. With a height of 15 meters, this is the highest waterfall around the UBUD area.
If you don't let it sink in.
Your experience can vary depending on the season. If you visit during the rainy season, you will see it at its full glory.
On the side, you already know.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care.
Let's start our third day in the land of art to mesmerize with the amazing sculptures, history, and architecture at the Art Museum. This museum is located in the heart of the city, just at walking distance from UBUD Palace. This is the oldest art museum in Bali, which specializes in modern, traditional Balinese paintings and wood carvings. next stop of the day is UBUD Palace. This historical complex was the official residence of the royal family. There is no entry fee to visit this royal palace. However, the dance show is held in main pavilion at night, which has separate ticket. As this is the last day in UBUD, so let's do some shopping. If you want paintings, dresses, accessories, or piece of art sculptures, the UBUD Art Market is the one place you can quench your shopping thirst. The market is divided into two sections, each serving different purpose. If you want to get best prices from this market, then you must have excellent bargain skills. Monkey Forest in UBUD is one of the must-see tourist destinations in Bali. There are three types of attractions in the sacred monkey forest. First one is definitely the monkeys, second is art and cultural display, and the third one is sacred temples. The type of monkeys that live in the area of the sacred monkey forest sanctuary are also known as the Balinese long-tailed monkey. There are more than 1200 monkeys in this sanctuary. Monkeys are sometimes aggressive and tend to snatch food items. There are several guidelines displayed at multiple locations in forest for your safety. Like if the monkeys jump on you, drop your food and walk away slowly. Do not look the monkeys into their eyes. This is perceived as sign of aggression and they will attack you. After reading these guidelines, it seems to appear a scary place to visit. But we didn't witness any monkey attacked anyone during the visit. You can discover Balinese dance at Monkey Forest and experience graceful movements, vibrant costumes, and enchanting music, immersing yourself in Balinese cultural beauty. There is also an art gallery in Monkey Forest, in which artwork from local talent is displayed. There are 3 Hindu temples in Monkey Forest. Pure Dalim Agung Temple serves as place for worship of Shiva. This is the main temple. This temple is normally closed and opens only for the prayers by local communities only. Second temple is Prajapati Temple. third temple is the Holy Spring Temple, which is specified for the worship of goddess Ganga. Holy Spring Temple is a place to perform purification of statues that represents the god and the soul of the people. To wrap up the visit to cultural paradise of Bali, it's a complete package of nature, spirituality, and art. It's definitely is 10 on 10.